Okay. Oh, this one is challenging. The first question. Okay. As usual. Do you go and read your lesson? Watch your lesson video now. Lesson video 34, 24.
No.
Ayo. Then how to learn like that? Still can do without watching.
How about I quit? I leave.
Why?
And then I watch the video and then come back.
Oh, no. Don't need.
Yes.
No. It's okay. It's okay. But you can do or not? Do you do homework in the first place?
No.
Hello, then how? Why did you do homework?
So I get out of the meeting and then later do finish then come back.
Yeah, you get out meeting, then waste time. You pay for lesson already.
Then why no more friend come? Why no one come?
Then, no one. Then you came. That's good. At least you came. I'm happy. Okay. Let's start. You must participate. That means the whole lesson. If no one come, then you are the only one with me. Okay. All right. Come to this. Who is here? How should you do equipment? Then become 2 students, is it? Then you must do 2 times the homework, Okay. All right, let's start from number 1. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Now, for this question, how you unmute Ivan. Unless somebody come in, then you mute. Never mind. You unmute. How you want to do this?
I want to do this. First I need to do it first. Then do that.
Yeah, then tell me how you do. I write for you. I write faster.
Okay. So 90 times 4.8. And then 70 times 4.8. And then get that both for the answer minus. After that, divide by 2.
Wow. You are not wrong. It's correct. But you see, it's so tedious. Let me tell you how we can do, can?
Okay.
I teach you one shortcut method. Okay.
Right.
Jera is here. Jera. Never is still on your video. I mean, your audio is okay. See, I want to do something very magic. I'm going to blanco correction tape. My correction tape very special one. I correction tape this times 4.8 times 4.8. So this is called group of 4.8, right?
Yes.
So can I say there are 90 basket minus 70 basket? Can I say that? So 90 groups, that means the 90 baskets minus 70 groups of basket, right? And you get 20 groups. If I use grouping, so I have 20 groups. Am I right? So now if I open up this one, see, I like magic like that. I'm going to erase this thing. What is my basket here is multiplied by this, right? So 90 group of this and 70 group of this. So my 20 group will be equals to 20 multiplied by the group of 4.8. Okay? So remember when we say we want to do the multiplication by the tens one, we can do this one. I break it into 2. That means I times 10, I times 2. Remember that? So what I get? Here I get 40 what? 40 what? We say shift the decimal, right? What do we get? 48 times 2. So what is my answer now? You see my times 2 is here. I highlight. Now my times 2 is here, right? And I have a times 2 here, right? So can I say the underline blank is this one, 48. Then I just drop the 48 there. So this one is 48.
No. No.
Then what?
Because,
then how?
Because 48 is like
Whole number.
No. It's like the answer for something times 2.
Yeah, lor. So 48 is something times 2. Then you see times 2 repeated leh. You saw or not? I think you overlooked the times 2 lor. Right. Hi, Jera. Are you there? I need you to face your camera, sit in front. Don't go elsewhere because I don't know whether you are with me or not. Later, your mind is lost, then after wander somewhere else. Okay, so we have just started, so get settled down. Okay, so Ivan, you understand this, times 2, so 48. Correct or not? Wait, Ivan, hello. Ivan gone, Where do you go? Come on,
I
sit
go
up straight.
inside the grass.
Then you are the rabbit, So I didn't know we got a rabbit hopping around, Later I ask mommy, to put you inside the cage, how? You want not? I put the rabbit, ask mommy, put the rabbit inside the cage. Okay, come back here, So far question 1, okay, Okay, question number 2. Okay, see, question number 2, we are going to do this, Again, can I correction tape with black color? This one, I correction tape it. This one, I correction tape it. This one, I correction tape it. Right. Okay, Gerard, were you able to tell me what is the group? 13 group plus 70 groups equal to how many groups? We put the black one as grouping. Can you tell me how many groups are there in the question here? Any idea?
3.
What is 13 plus 70?
83.
Yes, 83. So I'm going to put here 83 groups of I'm going to open up because all are the same. So if all are the same, so now I want to open it and then shade it in 0.6, 0.66, 0.66. All I need to do is to add this plus this, that give you 83. Can you understand? Okay. Did they ask you for answer yet? Yeah, second step. Now, second step, I'm going to do this. Look at here. What did I do to get down to 6.6? Oops. Did I times 10? Did I times 10? Yes, right? So if I times 10 here, from here to here, I must divide by 10. Because I increase by 10 times here, I must decrease by 10 times here. So to decrease my 10 times, remember I said you got holding place? Correct or not? Ivan, can you tell me how do I divide by 10 using 83? Remember I said holding place, like 83.00. How to shift the decimal? Put a holding place of 0 and shift to where? Left, right? Left or right? Shift your decimal. Shift where? Well, that's what I'm asking. I think you ask me back.
Shift.
Are you going to shift here? Or are you going to shift here?
I'm going to shift. What do you mean? Shift what decimal?
Ne? 83. You've forgotten. Okay, number 1, you didn't revise the previous lesson. Number 2, you didn't watch the video. Right?
Divide.
Yeah. So you must listen very carefully.
So you need to put the 0 there to put down the 0.
This is called what? Holding what? Gerard, what do you call this? Holding what? Holding place. Okay, so I'm going to divide this by 10. If I divide this by 10, I'm going to shift your decimal. From where to where? From here to left or right? Is it here or here? Who can tell me the answer? Ivan, are you able to tell me the answer? How are you going to shift? You have to shift towards your left. I find that you've forgotten all about decimals. We have done this about a week ago, the previous week also, about decimals in their place. So I shift here, and this will give me 8.3. Of course, to the left, because the number gets what? It is going to get answer in a smaller value. So that's why you move it to the left. Okay, so you have 8.3. Okay? So far, so good. So now how are you going to multiply 8.3 by 6.6? Now I want to show this. Just learn from here because I need to get this thing. Okay, I repeat. This whole thing, you have to use 8.3 multiply 6 by 6. Only learn. So remember I say this one you need to do multiplication 18, 48, then 49. Just do the usual one. Then this is 0, then this is 18 to 49. Okay, and I need to plus them. 8, 14 here. Now, but then I need to count the decimal here. Let's check it out. See how many decimal place? 1 here, 1 here. So how many place? 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place, you must count from here. 1, 2, and then put your decimal here. So what's your answer? 54.78. Are you catching up with me? Are you catching up with me? Ivan? Ivan, what are you watching? You're watching something else?
No.
Oh, I thought how come suddenly no response from you? Are you on my screen? Yes, okay. So 54.78. Can you understand? Can, Jera, can, I go to the next question. Convert an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. Oh, with a denominator of 100. Oh, so let's do this. For part A, what they gave you was a 3/4. How to make it into 100? Remember, previous time I gave you something called a standard table. You must multiply this by 25 to get to 100. Multiply by 25, you should get a 75 over 100. So from here, you get 75 over 100. Because they want it to be a denominator of 100. Okay, so for this one, how to change it to a decimal? Very simple. For part B, 75 over 100 is actually divided by 100. Remember, we say shifting of decimal. Where is my holding place? Who can tell me? Who can write for me? I allow, wait, did I allow security? Did I allow annotate? Yes, annotate. I allow annotate already. I want you to help me with that. Okay, let me check if you can. Do you know how to use your whiteboard or not? You know how to use whiteboard? Okay, you can use on your that whiteboard. Then share your whiteboard with me. Do you know how to do sharing? I allow share already. You can write it on your whiteboard. I give you about 45 seconds. do this sum. This one.